Here's lesson 16 of 45 at me being 45 years young. The quality of our life is directly proportionate to the amount of uncertainty that we can handle at one time. What I mean by this is, if you think about it, everybody wants everything to be predictable and certain in their life. Boxed up and perfect. And I'm telling you, that's boring. I believe the quality of your life is determined by how much uncertainty you can deal with at once. I'm serious. If you think about some of the most fun experiences in your life, there was a ton of uncertainty involved. Whether it was your first date, your wedding day, or stepping on the field or court for a sport, or a championship game, or a graduation day, or simply taking an exam or test, all the uncertainty that was involved, and you pulled it off. Think of all the fun things you've done that's initially unpredictable. It's even scary, like the first time you were on a roller coaster, or went down a water slide, or climbed a rock wall. Anything. The first time you did any type of something that you eventually fell in love with. There was uncertainty everywhere. And that's the way that you have to start looking at your self-improvement, your health, the way you choose to be confident. If you're gonna go join the gym for the first time, you can't hope for certainty. That's what makes life and makes this adventurous. You don't know where the equipment's at. You're gonna meet new people. You don't know what's gonna happen with each session. That's what makes it exciting. It's unpredictable. The quality of our life is about how much unpredictability that we can handle at any time. And from my observation, the happiest people I know are constantly seeking or attracting moments of being uncertain or being uncomfortable, whether it be for fun or business or their well-being, whatever. In fact, successful people, the healthiest people that I know, are addicted to uncertainty. I even think about when I was an athlete years ago. Football, baseball, wrestling, every game, every match was uncertain. Even now, as I coach my kids' baseball teams, every game is uncertain. Every play is uncertain. You never know what's going to happen. Then the season's over. Then we get back into that regular routine. Every day becomes the same old, same old. The days seem to lose their excitement. I just miss the competition. But I really miss the unpredictability of it all. I miss not knowing. I miss not experiencing things with where I'm at. Things that you can predict, you really don't experience. So I constantly challenge you. Put yourself in situations that are uncertain, and you'll feel the most alive you've ever been. And even long term, when you're healthy, you're fit, you're thriving, put yourself in those situations that are uncertain, and you'll continue to grow and expand happily. Again, when it comes to the overall quality of our life, uncertainty is one of the biggest things, I think, that's directly proportionate to how happy we become. Get uncomfortable. Everything starts from the inside. Hence, transform your life from the inside out.